Welcome back everyone, we're in Craster today. It's been a while since we've been on a walk.
Ages.
But I think there's been a few factors to that. The weather, we've had a lot of storms recently in the UK, so we weren't really going out in that, and we've been focusing on our little careers together. I'm currently renovating a house which needs finishing because I'm sick of the sight of the place, so I've been trying to work on that. Jess has been working on her
crystals?
On her, Origin crystals, so give them a follow if you're on Instagram or Facebook, or better still, they're doing plenty of markets around the northeast, so
and North Yorkshire.
Yeah, North Yorkshire, so that'll be good if you can check them out there. Currently working really hard, so
all the weekend.
She's off today and I'm off today, so we've come to Craster
and it's a lovely day
and it's cracking, so yeah, I want a little walk. Tempted to go in the sea, depends how cold it is, but we'll see how we get on. We eventually made it to the ship in Lone Newton, which was Jess's mum's recommendation of a
lovely little pub.
Lovely little pub, little stop off for a little drink, and then we're going to head back. I was thinking about going to the sea, but it's far too rough to go in. The waves are quite big and it's pretty cold, and we've still got quite a way back to the car, so we're going to head back and maybe stop off for a coffee somewhere and some snacks.
Definitely a coffee.